I actually had my own personal medical problems as a child, and I had a great female physician who helped take care of me. So I wanted to be like her and decided I wanted to go to medical school, help other people like she helped me. I did my undergrad training at Michigan State University. I did my medical school training at Wayne State University in Detroit, Michigan. I then did my general surgery residency at the University of Tennessee in Nashville, and then came here to Bowling Green, Kentucky. It has always been a goal of mine to take what I have learned in practicing and training from the bigger cities and bring it to a smaller community, and I feel very grateful and blessed to have that opportunity. So I chose general surgery because I like the wide breadth of different things that I can help people with. It's great because I can help people from different ages, from adolescents all the way to older adults. I treat endocrine disorders, so disorders with the adrenal glands, the thyroid, the parathyroid. I also treat abdominal issues. So the most common things I do with that are gallbladder surgeries, patients with stomach issues, esophagus issues, intestinal issues, colon problems, so diverticulosis and colon cancers. I also treat hernias, so I do abdominal wall hernias, groin hernias, hernias of the diaphragm. I also treat skin lumps and bumps, including skin cancers. Those can be melanomas, basal cell cancer, squamous cell cancer. I will remove the cancer and give you a nice cosmetic repair and get you any further treatment if needed. My main thing for patients is not only are they going to see a good surgeon, but they're also trying to understand what's going on with them. So I focus a lot on spending time with patients, helping them understand why what is happening to them is happening to them. I will make sure that patients trust me and are comfortable and confident and understand what's going on with their care. My name is Dr. Rachel Bryant, and I am a general surgeon at Greenview Surgical in Bowling Green, Kentucky.